all my life, I never see where pastor they paro like this. This pastor, he paro. See, he verse past verse. No wonder one pastor thought say, now because of this karma, where government initiate so, now they go know say all pastors get Boko Haram for body. I never know say some pastor get this agbororistic character. This pastor paro the verse. I know say una know the pastor. Una don't see the video between this pastor and Daddy Freeze. David Ibiyomi from Salvation Ministry Phase 2 GROA Port Harcourt, Rivers State. I know the place to go. I don't go to church many times when I dey Port Harcourt there. Understand? This pastor don't parrot all the verse. He said because Daddy Freeze insult his father. I know be father David Oyedepo. I don't say we don't see the video, but I'll still like me I play because many people don't see it. The video don't go viral. I want me to still play the video so that I see the video. Essentialmente.
Anybody insult Oyedepo again, I'll pray you to. He may not talk, me I'll talk. You can't insult my father when I'm alive. Insult my father when I'm alive. Come tell Daddy Freeze. Did I hear him talk about Oyedepo again? If I don't finish him. Insulting me, I won't, but insult Oyedepo. That bastard! Tell him any day I hear him talk about Oyedepo. Do they know his father? That Daddy Freeze has a father. Who is his father? That half caste who is born by Somalian. Did I hear him insult Oyedepo again? I will deal with him. Oyedepo may not talk, but I can't be alive to insult my father. Who gave birth to him? If he has a father, let him show us his father's picture. Somebody they gave birth to in the sheep. Does he look like a Nigerian? That's a Somalian. If I hear him insult my father again, Oyedepo may not talk, but I can't be alive to insult my father. I can't be alive. I cause today was born. Insult my own father when I'm alive. I can't take it. Oyedepo may not talk, but I can't be alive. You insult my father. I will tear you. I will tear you to pieces. I'll be alive. You insult my father. Then say, hey, I'll tear you to pieces, you bastard. People who have fathers don't insult fathers. He's insulted because he has no father. You can never insult a father if you have a father. He has no father. Tell him, oh. Tell him. This is the last day he talks about Oyedepo again. He's a bastard. He's a bastard. Does he have a father? Who's his father? Let him show his father's picture. If he has a father. A man who cannot marry. He has no wife. He can't manage his home. He's coming to talk on television. Is it not his wife who left him? Huh? A man who has a broadcaster. He doesn't have a good job. I'll be insulting my own father and people are laughing. Say, talk. Anybody insult my father again, I will just. Anybody may not talk, but me, I will talk. I will never be alive to see somebody insult my father. You are not born. You are not born. I will kill you. I will tear you to pieces. Very soon, I will arrest him. Next one, I will charge him. I will see which money he has. I will charge him to court. I will follow him law. I will follow him spiritual. I will fight him till he crash. I'm going to say, I'll fight that man to a point that he will say, which kind of trouble is this? I will arrest him. I will go to court. How much does he have? Somebody who was a newscaster. Would they pay? How much do they pay? He's striking in Lagos. They've sacked him even. Okay. It's not sacking now. He will go to cemetery. Lift your hands. Let's close.
Now, you see waiting with the talk. You don't take law into your hands. No be say the person commit crime. I know why I use that word. Just imagine just a pastor with this kind of prestige. Just see how you just climb water, just mess yourself up. This one why they talk, not be saying insult. I don't say another of your son I go still come and say who is Agbons. Understand? So people then will be say they will not dey vex at the top because I want to talk about pastor. No wonder, the government say they want audit all churches account. No wonder they want implement this scammer, because pastor now be the problem where we get for Nigeria. Now me talker, Agbons talker. Now pastors now they be problem. Just imagine waiting this pastor now they climb altar, they vomit for him mouth. All the respect where I give, I just lost that respect. Why? Because of the way you just talk. And even the way you they talk, just if Agbero no fit talk like that, no be insult. Why am I saying this? Jesus Christ himself, they criticize him. Critics is what make you a real servant of God. If we say may we they climb altar or they come social media, you understand? Come they rake ourselves. I don't mean that we say I go come social media to rake. You understand? Because even the one way this guy do Oyedipo now, they don't do me more than that. But you can never even see me coming social media, come they write something. Maybe I told you I'll come they write parables. But the person they attack, I don't do that. I know they carry issue between me and person, can't carry across social media. I don't pass that level. You understand? And if you look at me, I even discover say that the phrase no insult to Oyedipo. He only make a correction which me I not support her. Because now what most of them they do. Una go social media, go where somebody write something, una go there oppose the person. Now what is that the phrase do? Yeah, I see the post where Oyedipo writes something about submission to husband, which is women are to totally submit themselves to their husband. Say if they're not doing everything that they do, enough it work for them. You understand? Now they will say that the phrase come oppose, talk, no be insult. No be insult. No be insult. If we will be Christian, they not fit correct us. How we go take live? Now, why I use that was saying now pastors, now they be problem when Nigeria they pass through. Just imagine the kind of racism that is coming out from this man. Curses. Just imagine you say curse was the day he was born. Who are you to lay curse on a man that God have created? We never even offend you. You just climb altar, they lay curse, and those blind followers they say amen to it. And don't be surprised, among those followers now, some of his family relatives are there. People who they close to them, they say amen to it. Notice maybe the thing will say any little thing, pastors will climb altar. Somebody go tell you now their problem. Climb altar. Understand? Now use and take preach. Because this one, people don't even they tell pastors again their problem. Some are dying in silence. Why? Because if they tell their pastor their problem, their pastor will use them against them. You climb altar, and not even that, you are saying that who is his father? Who is his father? You see where the races they come from. Okay, just imagine a pastor now calling a full grown man a bastard. Even talk am many times. Just imagine a pastor now, you understand, calling a full grown man say he no get root, he no get where, he no get root, he no get family. Now a pastor now saying that boasting with the little money you have, which you made from your members. I'm sorry to use that word. The money you made from your members, you can't say you go even use that, take carry the person, go court. You see the reason why we they get. No wonder anywhere where Nigeria, any country where they go, you understand? Any country where they go, they see them as half caste, as you call this guy half caste. That is why anywhere when Nigeria go now, any country when Nigeria enter, will they complain say racism, not knowing that now from clergy, now this is they come from, not even government, now pastors, men of God, now they racist pass, now they segregate pass, now they relegate pass, now they bias pass, now they commonize pass, now they partial pass. Pastors, men of God. Pastors, men of God now be the problem when we they pass through from this country. I know say some people will say, why I'm going to talk like this? I know what I'm saying it. I talk at one time, I saw one pastor just in my presence for Port Harcourt. Tell people, say, you see, that is why I don't like data people. Now what you want Igbo pastor talk? Say that's why I don't like data people. Imagine that idiot. Now, pastor will be say, he say no like data people. And how do you preach about love, unity, togetherness to your disciples? You know, all these people will be say, you see the way you talk about my father, you can't insult my father, you can't insult. But people have insulted God in your presence. Even yourself, you have just insulted God by doing this. What if Angel Michael, Angel Gabriel come battle you? This is the way you do now, because you insult God the way you just take climb butter. Who is this one? Who is this one? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Just look at the kind of words an educated man like you, man that is respected by everybody. Almost 80% of people in that River State, where they respect you. Just see the way you just take climb butter, just they talk. You lay course and all those things. Now, karma don't come and all of una come out now, come they shout. All of una they vex. Now the blood of because of karma and all those things now they understand. See, I even like her. You know why I say I like her? Because for Europe, even before church go open account. We open account, we bank. They go do like this. So, see, they go audit them, audit their past, audit their future. Before they go open account for Europe. If you like, may you even pay 99% of money what you receive as tax. They go audit your account. Nigeria now they just say me they audit on account now. Ask Pastor Chris Oyakilome, ask her the hotel where he built for South Africa. What happened? They no audit can he complain? We know all those things. They audited his account. But you no complain. But the Nigeria want to do now all they shout. Everybody they say no, they will not try it. See, he get one idea where I get before I come out. No, not verse for me. And then I just they combine it. You understand? See, you see this camera, make the do. Make they audit all the old church account. Make they audit account. Make they do it first. Then make they give church 6 months. If they do it, we see Nigeria go change. If Nigeria not change, then church will fit go back to una normal. You understand? Go the control una account on ourselves. Una dey una go know say una dey fuck up. Una go know say see una dey leave the path where God send una. Make them just try give government 6 months to audit an account. Make they just audit them. Understand? Make they control. Make they control. That after 6 months, if government not change, because if they talk of criminals, we say government they steal money. What of churches? Some pastors, the one pastors they do even worse. It was past government. Now just look at what this man of God is saying in the altar. You don't put your law or don't put the law in your heads. See, if somebody insult anybody, let the person face the wrath. No be you go come out, come they talk, and when you want talk at least, okay, just talk and small. Just talk and small, okay? You know, the way that they talk am before, but no be say you come, they come out, they they make such sarcastic, obnoxious, nasty comment from the altar. Now the altar they come from, and your members they say amen to it. Oyedepo where the person even oppose, you know, come out, you even talk and say even if he will not talk. You not talk am, he not talk, but you can't come out just disgrace yourself. No be insult. Why am I saying all this? No say all those people now be say even some states I no mention name and so some states still they do. That is what you say in Nigeria today. I see they talk and we are retarded, because no state for Nigeria they serve God again. In no day, come tell me they serve God and I will tell you who God is. No country, no Nigeria. I mean, no state for Nigeria where they serve God again. You know, all the states in Nigeria, no. Some states now say their life don't depend on the king. Just now, what this man just do now? Some I don't mention state before they come home for Rose and I don't mention state, but they know themselves. We have about 36 states in Nigeria, so all the states just mention. Just talk anything. The king of this thing, I know they do well. I not be even insult to people. Some will even come your house, come use gun, they threaten you because they will say you insult their king. Some people they now without they not mention their king, they not feel it. They remove God, put king. Remember, now what happened to Isaiah and Uzziah. You understand? Uzziah na king as God. Any small thief, if you want shit, you go meet Uzziah. Your highness, I want shit. If you want peace, I want peace. That was how the glory of God was close over him. You understand? The glory of God. Even some pastors today now, before they go even do so, they will mention the king. They will mention the king. They want sing, they want eat, they want act. You understand? No. Bible not say me will not respect king. Of course, respect king. But the king of kings is supreme. Una go forget God. Understand? Now what did this man still do now? You say because he insult your father, you come and come they use God. See, I beg. Wetin I want to talk, men of God, may we try. Now, just waiting, I want to be that one. Not be even advice I want to give to men of God. I just want me to tell men of God, say, and no, I'm not versed for me, but I'm saying the truth. Most especially the pastors in Nigeria, now be problem where Nigeria they pastor today. Now be the reason why Nigerians are suffering all over the world. You know why I'm happy now? At least God don't use this thank for this pandemic. Pandemic don't make some pastors expose themselves. God don't use this man to show us say yes. Now then be the problem of Nigeria. My people, I don't you get everything I want to talk. Just subscribe to Agbon's TV for more video. Thank you very much.